Hello guys, welcome to the MEP Basics channel. In this video we are going to learn about 5 important questions related to piping codes and standard. Before we are going to start, please subscribe us to get more update about MEP Basics. And also please join us on other social networking platforms. Now let's start the video. Number 1. What is the ASME code followed for design of piping systems in process piping, refineries and chemical industries? Answer is B31.3. Number 2. Which American Institute standard does piping engineer refer? Answer: API. The American Petroleum Institute, ISI. The American Iron and Steel Institute, ASTM. The American Society for Testing and Materials, ISI. The American National Standard Institute, AWS. The American Welding Society, AWWA. The American Water Works Association, ASME. The American Society for Mechanical Engineers. Number 3. What is the different ASME 31 code for pressure piping? Answer: ASME B31.1 power piping, ASME B31.2 fuel gas piping, ASME B31.3 process piping, ASME B31.4 pipeline transportation system for liquid hydrocarbon and other liquid, ASME B31.5 refrigeration piping, ASME B31.8 gas transmission and distribution piping system, ASME B31.9 building services piping, ASME B31.11 slurry transportation piping system. Number 4. What are the different sections of ASME code where these sections are referred? Answer: ASME Section 1, Rules for Construction of Power Boiler, ASME Section 2, Materials, Part A, Ferrous Materials, Part B, Non-Ferrous Materials, Part C, Specification for Electrodes and Filler Wire, Part D, Properties, ASME Section 4, Rules for Construction of Heating Boiler, ASME Section 5, Non-Destructive Examination, ASME Section 6, Recommended Rules for Care and Operation of Heating Boiler, ASME Section 7, Recommended Guidelines for Care of Power Boiler, ASME Section 8, Rules for Construction of Pressure Vessels, Division I&II, ASME Section 9, Welding and Brazing Qualification. Number 5. Which American standard is referred for selection of following piping element for flanges? ASME B16.1, Cast iron pipes, flanges and flange fittings, ASME B16.5, Carbon steel pipes, flanges and flange fittings, up to 24-inch, ASME B16.47, Large diameter steel flanges, above 24-inch for but welded fittings, ASME B16.9, Steel but welding fittings, ASME B16.28, but welded short radius elbows and returns bends for gasket, ASME B16.20 and a PI601, Metallic gaskets for pipe flanges, spiral wound, octagonal ring joint and jacketed flanges, ASME B16.21, Non-metallic gasket for socket and threaded fittings, ASME B16.11, Forged steel socket welding and threaded fittings for valves, ASME B16.10, Face-to-face and end-to-end dimension of valves, ASME B16.34, Flanged and but welded end steel valves, pressure and temperature ratings, except ball, plug and butterfly valves. For pipes, ASME B36.10, Welded and seamless wrought iron pipes, ASME B36.19, Stainless steel pipes. I hope it's useful for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe us for new updates.